Good day, everyone, and welcome to our Tableau training session. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful data visualization tools used in the industry. Whether you are new to data analysis or looking to sharpen your dashboarding skills, this training is designed to help you turn raw data into clear, interactive insights that drive better decisions. We will begin with the basics, such as understanding what Tableau is, connecting to data, and building simple dashboards and visualizations. Now, let's take a moment to understand the different Tableau products and how they fit together. First, we have Tableau Desktop. This is the main authoring tool where you create reports, build dashboards, and connect your data. It's designed for analysts and data creators, and if you're doing the heavy lifting of building and designing, then you are using Tableau Desktop. Next is Tableau Server. This is an on-premise platform for sharing Tableau reports securely within your organization. After building dashboards in your desktop, you can publish them to server so others can view and interact with your work without needing to install anything. Then we have Tableau Online, essentially the cloud version of Tableau Server. It offers the same sharing and collaboration capabilities, but is hosted by Tableau, so there is no need for infrastructure. We have Tableau Reader. It's a free desktop application that lets you open and interact with Tableau workbooks offline. However, it has limited sharing capabilities. And lastly, we have Tableau Public, a completely free platform, but with a catch. Everything you publish is open to the public. It's great for learning portfolios or blogging, but not for private or confidential data. Now that we have covered Tableau's products, let's talk about how different licenses work. Each license is assigned for a different type of user, depending on what they need to do with the data. First, we have the Creator license. This is the most powerful license. Creators can do everything from connecting to data, preparing it, and building dashboards from scratch. They have access to Tableau Desktop, Tableau Prep, and full publishing rights to Tableau Server or online. This license is meant for analysts and report developers, the people who create content for others to consume. Next is the Explorer license. Explorers don't build dashboards from raw data, but they can work with existing content. They can interact with dashboards, edit or modify them, apply filters, and even create new visualizations using published data sources. This license is good for managers or team leads who want to dig deeper into the data, but don't need to prepare or model it themselves. Finally, we have the Viewer license. Viewers are exactly what they sound like. They can view dashboards and reports, interact with filters, download results, and stay updated with data alerts or subscriptions. This is ideal for business users or stakeholders who just need to consume and act on the insights and not create them. Now, let's dig deeper into what Tableau is. Tableau is a powerful industry-leading data visualization and business intelligence tool that helps people see and understand their data. It is designed to make working with data fast, easy, and impactful. With Tableau, you can connect virtually to any data source, whether it's an Excel file, an internal database system, APIs, and so on. And they can instantly turn the data into interactive charts, dashboards, and reports. You don't need to write complex code or scripts inside a Tableau. Can provide a user-friendly drag and drop interface that lets you build insights visually. Now, organizations around the world use Tableau to make decisions from small startups to global enterprises. Because Tableau is not just a tool, it's a data storytelling platform that turns numbers into knowledge. Now, here are the features of Tableau Desktop. First and foremost, data visualization, mobile support, and responsive dashboard. It can handle large amounts of data. Ease of implementation, because we can publish it easily or fast enough quickly create interactive visualizations. Tableau company strategy and use of other scripting languages in Tableau, such as SQL, Python, and so on. Now, for Tableau reports, you have three main output formats. Number one is the views or worksheet, which is considered an individual object. We use views and worksheet to combine and put them all together into one dashboard. And after we have all the views or worksheet in one dashboard, we can do a storytelling where we need to do a sequence with appropriate captions to run like a presentation. We will proceed now to connecting to data using Tableau Desktop. As you can see on the left side of the corner, we have the word Connect. This left side of the desktop allows you to connect to different data sources. It could be to a file, to a server, to a saved data source, and so on. You can explore when you have already launched your Tableau Desktop and you have already inputted your credentials. This is the complete view if you want to look into the other servers you want to connect to. An example of the different kinds of databases I connect to is Google BigQuery. We also have Google Drive, SharePoint, and Amazon Redshift. You can actually explore because Tableau has many types of sources or servers that you can connect to. Now, after we have connected to a specified data source here, in this example, I connected to an Excel file, and it's named as Superstore Sample. I just got this from the internet, by the way. Now, to talk more about what's inside, we will proceed first with how we define dimensions and measures. We need to differentiate these two because it is important to understand these concepts in order for us to create a useful or authentic dashboard. Now here on the left side, we have the dimensions. Dimensions are like names, dates, or categories. It basically defines what or who. On the other hand, we have measures that are numerical fields, and they usually define how much. So this is the main difference between dimensions and measures. You can also explore different data sources and try to understand how Tableau differentiates these two. We also have different data types in Tableau. Let's say I right-click this specific data field in the Dimensions column, or the Dimensions pane, rather. You can see here Change Data Type. Inside, we have different kinds such as string, number, Boolean, date, time, and geographic. So for strings, of course, it is a text data. Numbers, it could be divided into two. We have decimals and whole numbers. We also have date and time, which includes both date and time, the calendar, and the clock. We have the date where it showcases the full date values. We have spatial, which is the data in the Tableau recognized as a location. And last but not least, we have the Boolean, the binary logic that defines true or false. We also have a different hierarchy in Tableau. Different in terms of date fields or geographic fields. Date fields. There's a different hierarchy for each date field. We have year, quarter, month, day, hour, minute, second. We also have geographic fields, which, of course, Start first with the country, state, and province, city, and postal code. To focus more on the data pane in Tableau, this pane actually displays a data source, connection, and fields, acting as a central hub for managing and organizing your data. We can see this pane in the left side corner of your workbook if you open Tableau Desktop. Within Data Pane, we can also categorize dimensions or measures, which I've discussed earlier. All right, now we have our sample data. You can connect to the sample data. You must first download the file in this Google Drive link, and then open your Tableau desktop and connect to this specific Excel file. And afterwards, you can start exploring what the different data fields are inside this file, what the measures are, and what the dimensions are.